moving on to the head. This is a filthy piece of thing. So let me try and clean this stuff from bottom up, and let's see how it goes. Okay, bye. So I managed to get a spark plug out after a hard labor of getting it out. For one moment I thought I'm gonna break it, but it has come out, luckily, and it was very filthy. The whole thing is very filthy, but anyway. It looks to me like the intake valve, because really, I'm forgetting the name. Push rod. Looks like the push rod were actually, it was disconnected. It wasn't connected to the rocker, but it looks like, because the intake valve were always closed, and it looks to me like the engine ran. I don't know how it's possible, but it did. And so, I think it did. But the problem is, it's so filthy. I think so, because it's so filthy. It ran with the valve closed, because it's so filthy in here. I've literally get so much stuff out of this thing, and it was seized tight, the valve, and I struggled to get it open, but yeah, so yeah. Okay guys, now I have cleaned the head, so it's nice and clean, and you can see also there it's nice and clean. Now whoops, never mind. I've got a grand clean spark plug, not brand clean spark plug, not brand new, but brand clean spark plug. Cool. That's done. Now we'll be moving on to the valve. So cool. This is the valves, then the carburetor, and then this tappet cover. Okay, so let's see how it goes. Okay, I've cleaned it. So you can see it's much cleaner than that. You can see that one is bigger than the other. So you can see, not really, but this one is bigger than this one. This is the intake and this is the exhaust. So you can see there's a big difference. So yeah. Okay.